Let's see this example. Determine the eigenvalues of the matrix. So this matrix is given and we are supposed to find out the eigenvalues of this matrix. So simply, first of all, you have to find out a minus lambda I. So the easiest way to find out a minus lambda I is just take the diagonal elements and then subtract lambda from that. So you subtract lambda from here, lambda from here, lambda from here. That is nothing but a minus lambda I, which means if A is a matrix, if you want to find out a minus lambda I, you need not actually do the long procedure. Just put minus lambda, minus lambda, minus lambda along the elements in the principal diagonal. Okay, so after that is done, you have to just find out the determinant. So what here we are lucky that most of the elements are 0 here. These two elements are 0. Therefore, expand the determinant across this particular column where most of the elements are zeros, which is nothing but a minus lambda into determinant of these 4 elements, and these 4 elements is nothing but product of these two because this one is anyway at 0. Therefore, the determinant is going to be product of these 3 elements. Got it? This is the determinant. And now once we find out the determinant, the characteristic equation is nothing but the determinant value should be equal to 0. So this determinant value should be equal to 0. Then what is that we are going to get? See, product of 3 numbers, if it has to be equal to 0, at least one of them has to be 0, isn't it? Or 2 of them or all of them have to be 0. Therefore, either lambda equal to A or lambda equal to B or lambda equal to C. So A, B, C are the eigenvalues. So it is very simple. They are just asking you 3 by 3 matrices only. So whenever they give you any 3 by 3 matrix, just try to write them like this: A minus lambda I, find out the determinant and then equate it to 0. We are going to get the eigenvalues. Okay, fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.